my name is Enzina Gibaldi, and I'm a registered nursing student at LaGuardia Community College. And this is what nursing is to me. I haven't always wanted to be a nurse. In fact, my first year of college, I flew to Los Angeles and I moved my whole life there to pursue my dream of becoming a fashion designer. Shortly after, one semester, I realized that it was not a career path for me, but just a hobby. So I decided to move back to New York, and I took a break from school for a little while. And finally, it was my mom that, pushed me to try something new. She insisted that I would try a medical assistant program. I never had any previous interest in nursing or the medical field, so this was all very new to me. I decided to try it. I got right into it a few months after being back from Los Angeles, and I really enjoyed it, surprisingly. So it was an accelerated program, so I was doing things like intravenous blood draws from my fellow classmates fairly quickly. So I got pushed into like nursing as a whole right away. So I actually used to have a fear of needles, but I had to get rid of that fear right away. Unfortunately, I did not finish the medical assistant program, but it did lead me to then being interested in nursing, which I have to give thanks to my boyfriend because he's the one who encouraged me to go back to school and gave me that little extra push to do it. So, like I said, nursing is not something that I always wanted to do, but once I realized all the great things that about nursing, it was clear to me that it was the right career path for me. To be a nurse, you must be kind and caring, but you must also be strong and confident. It takes a very strong person to be a nurse. I do not mean physically, but also mentally and emotionally. Patients and family are depending on you to provide the best care to their loved ones. You will be their shoulder to cry on, their teacher, and will always be the one on the line with them, through the good and the bad. As a nurse, we fight infection and prevent illness, promote a calm and comfortable environment for a patient, and are a huge support system for the patient by listening, talking, and building relationships with them and their family. As a nurse, we're a huge part of the patient's healing process, both physically and emotionally. Besides the great salary and consistent job availability of nursing, there are so many rewarding aspects to this career, like truly making a difference to your patients. This is one of the many reasons why I wanted to become a nurse.